and welcome back to my I Tried It series, where I try out the most talked about method of making money right here on YouTube, and I come over to share with you what works and what does not work, and the idea is to see whether you and I could make money from it. So in today's video, I'll be trying out this one from this channel, Amplycash, where she titled the video "Make money watching YouTube video, $5,400 per month, make money online." So without wasting much time, let's dive right into the video.
First step to watching YouTube videos is to go to YouTube. Opt for educational topics or anything that can spark discussions like facts, mysteries, news, psychology, and more. Choose a topic you're genuinely interested in, as this will make the process enjoyable. After all, you want to get paid for something you love, don't you? Once you find a video you like, click the share button, and from the pop-up window, click copy to copy the video link.
I'm on YouTube now, so you are to select videos related to news, information, psychology. So I'm going to go ahead to pick this particular one right here. So I'm going to tap on share now and then copy the link of this video. Then I'll be going over to YouTube Translate to paste my link, as the one she recommended wasn't actually working for me. So the transcript of this video has been generated for me. So this is the transcript. So I'm going to go over to copy the entire transcript, paste my transcript on Google Doc.
Text and go to this website to access this tool. You can look for it if you want. Also, I will leave a link to this tool in the description. This tool will help you create a new version of the original article. So, paste the text you copied earlier right here, then click Rewrite.
So I went over to this application to rewrite the transcript. What this application does is it allows you to rewrite the transcript to an entirely new transcript so as to avoid plagiarism and copyright issues. So I'm going to paste my transcript here and then generate a new transcript. I'm going to be pasting my transcript on Google Doc once again, and then I'm going to reorganize it to look like a real transcript. So that's what I'm actually doing now. I'll be speeding up this video to hasten it up.
Now, head over to Vocal Media. This website will pay you whenever someone reads your article. To be more precise, let me show you exactly how much this website will pay you. I'll click right here and scroll down to show you. As you can see, it pays you $3.80 per 1,000 reads. That means the article we just created could earn up to $38 for every 10,000 readers. Depending on how quickly you accumulate that number of readers, you have a choice. Go for quality or quantity. For instance, if you dedicate around 15 minutes per day and publish just one article daily, you have the potential to earn $38 multiplied by 30, which equals $1,140 per month. To post the article on this website, you need to create an account. Simply click on Join and provide basic information like your email and password. Then click Sign Up. An activation link will be sent to your email. After activating your account, in the top right corner, click the Create Story button. This window will pop up. Make sure to read the submission guidelines and then check this box. Click Start Creating right here. It's self-explanatory. This is where you write the title and subtitle. You can add images to make your article more appealing and professional. Click right here, and you can search for images related to the topic and add them by clicking on them.
So I went over to Vocal Media and I created an account by clicking on the Join button. So a mail has been sent to my email. So I'm going to go over to my email to read the mail. I'm asked to verify my account. So I'll be tapping on Verify Your Account to verify my account. It brought me to the main page and my account has been verified. So I'm going to go ahead now to click on Create. Read the community guidelines and click on I understand. Then I'm going to go ahead to input the title, then the subtitle like she said. So what I did was I went back to YouTube where I copied the link of this video. So I copied the headline of the video and then I pasted it on the title section. I clicked on Unsplash and selected a picture for my article.
So in this space, you can paste your article. After you finish, click the Save Changes button. This allows you to submit the article. But don't worry, if you want to make any changes, you can always do that. Just click on anything that you want to edit and start typing. Then click Save Changes, and you can submit the article when you're ready.
Copied my article from Google Doc and I'm going to paste it right here. Then going ahead to do the necessary changes and then save the article. So you are required to choose the community to submit the article to. So I'm going to select, so I will choose this one right here, then click on submit. Once you click on submit, you will receive this message. Thanks for your submission. Our team of moderators will review your work shortly and they will get back to you. So upon waiting for a reply from them, I got this email the following day. Your story has not been approved. Your story was rejected because it was flagged for potential spam or non-disclosed AI generated content. So to me, I see this method as fake and not genuine to even try out, because according to the community guideline, you are not required to use any AI generated work or story. This platform requires you to upload stories that are being written with your hand. So to me, I see it as a total waste of time and I suggest you don't even try it at all, because it's a total waste of time. You can channel that time, that energy, that resources to doing something more productive. So that's it for this video. If you found value from this video, kindly like this video and hit on the subscribe button, then turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out on any of my videos. I'm also open to any suggestion or ideas about how to make money online that you want me to try in future. If you have any idea on how to make money online that you want me to try out, kindly drop your suggestion in the comment section and I'll be glad to try it out here live on YouTube. So thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Ciao.